charm masala, and I think this is one of the most awaited recipe of mine that a lot of people were asking. So I will be teaching you how to make the charm masala. So let's get started. Let me just show you quickly what I would need for the charm recipe, and then we'll start cooking. I'll be needing the charm, so I use the frozen charm. So this is the one that I use. Then I'm using fresh coriander leaves. For the masala, I will be needing onions, tomatoes, ginger garlic paste, some green chilies. So for the spices, I will be using all the 5-6 spices, the basic Indian spices. Red chili powder, coriander powder, then this is turmeric powder, this is salt, cumin. I don't know what is garam masala in English, but I think this is the spice ground masala if I remember. But yeah, this is the garam masala. Apart from this, we're using the kasuri methi. Then I will be using the cumin powder. Also, we will be using the AMUL fresh cream. Before I start making the masala, I will take the Soya Chaap and I will put it for a single boil to another utensils. So guys, in one pack it was 9 pieces. So let me just put water in this and put it for a boil. So with onions, I will do it in small pieces, and with tomato, I will make the puree. So guys, with 9 pieces of charm, I am doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 small to medium onions and 3 tomatoes. I think I will increase another one here, so I will take another tomato. So this is the one. I will chop my onions in this. So I will add a little bit of oil in this. I'm just going to chop the onions till the time the oil heats up. So I've done really fine chopping. Just gonna add some cumin. Change color, become a little light brown. I'm gonna add my onions. I am just going to add a little bit of the ginger garlic paste after onions. We'll leave a little bit of the onions and not cook fully. Add the tomato puree. So I am going to add good 1 spoon or 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Salt can be added later as per taste. Then I will add red chili powder. 1 or half teaspoon as per your taste of chili. Then I will add the coriander powder, which is the dhania powder. Then some turmeric powder. Then I will add the garam masala. Then I will add a little bit of cumin powder, like good 1 full teaspoon. I put it on the low flame and I will let it sit for like good 10 to 15 minutes, but I will be checking in between. Till that time, what we'll do is we will take out our chop and we'll put cuts in between. Let me show you how to put the cuts. And why do we do that? We do it, why? Because whatever masala we are making, whatever gravy we are making, I want it to completely get soaked into the charm and go in between, because I don't want to fry the charm, because then it will be too unhealthy. Not too, it will be like completely unhealthy. So either you can do pieces like this, or you can have the full charm, full piece like this. So if you want to eat it like this, you can just do the cuts. So I will take this charm and just put cuts like this. So it will be attached from the between, but also what it will do is it will do the work, so it will not be completely raw. So it can come out of the stick also if you want and chop it, or if you want you can let the stick be there inside like that and then just put the cut. I've put it on high flame for some time and I've removed the lid. The nishani that the masala is being done. So the masala will leave oil on the side of the utensils. Exactly then you would know the curry is being done. Let me show you a glimpse of it. It looks yummy. Now I will add the kasuri methi. Then I am going to add the AMUL cream. Just gonna add little water. Now I will add the pieces. And I won't turn off the flame. I will let the pieces sit with masala so that it completely merges with the masala. And I will close the lid again and wait for like good 2 to 3 minutes. So guys, the chaap is fully cooked. Now I am just gonna add the fresh coriander leaves. Guys, the chaap is ready and it looks yum. Just have it with a good parantha, like a lacha parantha. So guys, everything is done and it is a very simple recipe, but just little here and there, and it will taste exactly like a restaurant or a dhaba. So this is my recipe of chaap masala, and let me know if you guys would try this. Send me your photos or put it on your Instagram and tag me and I will repost it. So let me know how was your experience of making this, and if you guys like it, then good. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys have had fun watching it, and if you did, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Alright then, bye.